Today in this video, we are going to build Instagram Reel Scraper. This is something where you can put a username of Instagram and scrape all their reels. This is excellent for content creators like me because we always want to scrape information on the competitors and we want to have a 360 overview. And also, this could be sold as a service to other content creators. You can charge $1,000 a month for this because doing a competitive analysis is really hard and you always want to have the whole overview of the industry. I'm in AI space, AI voice, AI automation, so I'm checking out all the big players and saving this information. So this comes exactly from my workflow, and I wanted to share how this is built with n8n. So let's go. So first of all, the first step is to provide the username. Second is to run an API request, which is an HTTP request. I'm already going to execute it as we go forward. As a first step, it is asking me for username. So you could see I click on this and I submit it. Once I do this, this goes using Apify. And here we've created a workflow where you could just run an HTTP request. Here we are making post or get requests. You can connect to any service which has an API here. So that's super excellent. And then the next step is to format. This is in n8n that you can format any information which is out there. Usually it's used to convert, we're using it to convert from JSON to more like Google Sheet, Tabular, CSV kind of content. So that's really excellent. For example, username, that's how you get it. Real ID, this is important for us. These are the settings that you can just completely keep on saving. You can also add new fields here. For example, let's say that you want cut the likes count. You could just set it up like this, and then you can just set up a value where you're providing this, and you can just inside the JSON start adding it. So as you can see, this is the JSON, and it exactly tells you how this whole information is, and then you can gather it here. And exactly, that's how you find out all of this. So this is super simple, and then we are appending it to Google Sheet. For that, you're just gonna use Google Sheet, and then you click on Google Sheet and create append. So for us, this one is the one, append or update row and sheet, append row and sheet. So that's the important one. So this is how we have built this whole workflow. Right now, we are going to go inside this document and see what has been scraped. So we already see that 5 reels have been scraped. I can click on them and see exactly what are these reels. So this is one of the reels from my profile. As you can see, Yar vibe. I've got a lot of different reels in here. So it has just taken some of the reels from there, 5 of these, and it shows them exactly like this. And then it shows you like counts, 10, comment count, all of that information is available here. So all of that information is gathered here properly. As you can see, we can also get the view count here. So this is super excellent, and you can use it to scrape any content which is out there. We're gonna connect this and add this actually to this Google Sheet, to this YouTube video. And if you want access to it, just click on it and you're gonna get it, and you can start doing competitive analysis and figuring about any Instagram profile which is out there. I hope you like it because tomorrow we're gonna come up with new automation, more in depth. I'm taking a lot of things from my workflow and putting them out there. And like and subscribe and send it to your other friends who this might be interesting for. If you want my help to build anything in AI automation, AI voice space, check out my calendar link at the bottom. And yeah, this will be super interesting. Let's go take it from there.